I received that message sent by somebody from your class. We discussed the lessons last year, in the last period, right? Who sent? Somebody sent. Chalo, I'll look for that afterwards because it has come from some number. The name is not saved, so I'm not able to find it out. I'll find out. Somebody sent. We discussed in the previous class the lessons that we have already completed and the lessons that may be included in half yearly. So, will it be okay on your part if we take first five lessons?
Yes, sir.
Will it be okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
First
sir.
five.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And out of
Yes, sir.
first five, there isn't any lesson that has been deleted.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So let us agree on this point that we'll be covering first five lessons from Hornbill in this exam. Though we have completed some more lessons after that, but let us take it till lesson five. And with these five lessons, the accompanying poems. How many poems accompany these five lessons? Four poems or five poems? With first five lessons. Three.
Sir,
Three.
three.
Only three. Photograph. Photograph.
The laburnum top.
Laburnum top.
The
Laburnum
The
top.
voice
voice
of
of
rain.
rain.
And okay.
The voice of rain.
Only three. I'm little greedy here. Can I take one more? Childhood. No. What is next? Voice of rain after voice of rain? Is it
Yes, sir.
childhood?
Childhood, sir.
Childhood.
Good.
Will you allow me to take five lessons from prose and four poems? Uh, First one is photograph. Second one is laburnum top. Third one is voice of rain. And fourth one is childhood. Can I take these four poems?
Yes, sir.
Allow me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 5 plus 4. This is first thing. Second thing, out of supplementary reader. Supplementary reader, the other book, snapshots. How much will you allow me? Can I take first two?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Only
sir.
two. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. So my children have allowed me to take 5 plus 4 plus 2. Is that okay? Now in grammar, we'll be having all integrated exercise. And when we have integrated exercise, whatever topics we discuss in the class, whatever topics or concepts of grammar we shall be discussing in the class, that is one thing. But this has been the practice from class 10th itself that whatever topics we do in the class is one thing, but the questions are based on everything, all the topics of grammar because the questions are all integrated type of questions. This was very clearly discussed and this was made clear in the syllabus, in the curriculum by CBSE, and I have also made this point clear in the class. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Okay. Hmm. This means in grammar, in grammar, the questions that you get are all integrated, functional grammar based question, which means told about any examination will cover 3 4 topics definitely, but the question will be, because it is integrated, so based on any topic. There is no specified topic for specified examination. Is this point also clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we need to think about is writing section. Writing section includes so many things, and when we were discussing last time, we perhaps came to a conclusion that we shall be taking letters to the school authorities, right? As far as I remember, what we discussed in the previous class was a letter to some school authority,
Yes, sir.
and
Yes, sir.
perhaps there was notice also.
Yes, sir.
Classified advertisements are not there. Classified advertisements are removed. Somebody told me in the previous class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? Okay, 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 agreed. So we are taking notice, and poster is there.
Sir, debate.
Poster is there.
Yes.
Debate.
Sir, debate.
Debate. Okay. Debate also, that day we discussed that we shall take debate. Okay. Letter also we are taking, and debate also we are taking, and notice. 3 things. Did I say that in the previous class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. So all this you will get in written form in a day or two. Okay, that this is your syllabus. Now you are all aware, you all know what is the syllabus, and I am also aware that what all you are expecting in examination. Now, second important thing that we all need to understand is, as in grammar we have integrated functional kind of questions, more practical questions, not based on one specific topic. Similarly, in literature part also, if I start asking questions given at the end of the lesson, do you think it is of any use? We don't have a habit of answering
No,
this
sir.
kind of questions, because in previous classes also, whenever we had examinations, I asked questions mostly which were not at the end of the lesson, and you also are very well aware of that kind of questions. You also know how to answer those questions and how to prepare. It doesn't need just reading the lesson once and then preparing the question answers. It is about reading the lesson once and then once again, and then analyzing every part of the story or every part of the lesson. If it is an article like Ailing Planet is an article, so analyzing every single part of the story or lesson, analyzing every single statement given in that, thinking about it, and sometimes it happens that there is one more line, literal meaning of one line is there, literal meaning of second line is there, but there is a hidden meaning between these 2 lines. This, in the very beginning of this class, I discussed with you that we need to look between the lines, which is not visible. We need to pick the essence, we need to pick the theme, we need to pick the idea. So think between the lines and think beyond the lines. When you read a lesson and when you start developing this habit, that you are trying to interpret something that is not physically there, this is thinking between the lines. And then connecting these things to the real life, to the practical world, to the global scenario. You are taking it beyond the lesson, you are taking it beyond your classroom, beyond your school, beyond your place. If you are trying to connect it with something else, then it is thinking beyond the lines. So your focus when you prepare for examination, should not be simply preparing the questions that are given at the end of the lesson, but it should be while reading it, while once again reading it, keeping in your mind what can you pick from between the lines and beyond the lines. I think I have made this thing also very clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, do you have any question about
Yes,
exam?
sir.
Any question about exam? Any doubt? If you want to ask, go ahead. Even if you ask me what question you are going to ask in exam, I'll tell you the question also. पूछ लो. Good. Nobody wants to know the question. Chalo. So, let us come back to what we were doing. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. We started talking about tenses, though it is not required. It has been thoroughly explained many a times in the previous classes. But as we decided that day that we'll have a quick short revision, that day I drew a number line on the board. Now today it's not possible. One thing can be done. One thing can be done. Can somebody share a screen with a number line drawn? Can somebody do that on computer? Is there anyone who can draw a line on the screen in whichever software and share it? Okay, leave it. Leave it. How many children are here? 40. 40 is a good number. No one out of 40 can draw a line on computer screen. Chalo theek. Chalo, we'll do one thing. We'll take up this number line concept in the next class when I'll have board with me, means when I'll be with the board. Just start telling me quickly. I don't want to call anybody by name. You just come up. If in the last class I asked you were good students of class 10th and where will you put, on which part of the number line will you put this thing? Okay. Now just in your imagination, or you can draw a rough number line on your notebook. Rough number line on your notebook. And just answer me. I'll ask two to three things and then we'll move ahead. If I
Sir,
say,
I have drawn a number line.
good, if you can share. If you can share on the screen. Or you can simply show your notebook wherever you have drawn in front of the camera. Yes, he's sharing. Good. Very nice. Very nice. It's in paint. Fine. Where is your zero? Make that zero red if possible. Otherwise also fine. Everybody can understand where is zero. Chalo. If I say we shall finish talking about tense concept in next class. I repeat, if I say we shall finish talking about this tenses concept in the next class, can somebody tell me Where will you put this on the number line? Where do you see this action in the number line?
Sir, in right.
So right side of 0.
On the right side of 0. On the right side of 0. Suppose the first fragment after 0, the first section that he has drawn, if I say that is 1 hour, second is 2 hour, third is 3 hour, where will you put this statement? Shall I start calling you by names?
Sir, in the first segment.
No, first segment I said if it is 1 hour. And my sentence is, we shall finish talking about the concept of tenses in the next class.
So it can't be put in this number line. We have to change the segment name. Like it's next year, it's like that.
No, I want to keep it 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. Then where will you keep my statement?
Sir, 25 hours.
So from 0, it will be somewhere after 24. Somebody
Yes,
said
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
somewhere after 24. Maybe 6th hour of the next day. That means 60. That means 30. Sorry. If it is 8th hour of the day, then it will be 32nd part. Okay. Now, tell me, is this answer correct? Anywhere after 24 means 4th hour, 5th hour, 6th hour, 7th hour of the next day. Is it correct?
No, sir.
Who says no?
Sir, Nishant.
Why not?
Sir, because we have to specify the time, because we have different classes in on different times, so we have to specify the time interval, like from 2:30 to 3:10 or something like that.
So that will come after 24. See, if your next class is at 2:30, if it is at 2:30, okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is after 24 hours, and if after 24 hours it is just 1 hour later, so 24 plus 1. If it is 2 hour later, 24 plus 2. That way, from now, this hour, 0 is this hour. 0
Yes,
is
sir.
this hour, and then 24th hour. So you don't
Yes,
have
sir.
any problem with this now.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Do you all agree that this statement is correct? After 24 somewhere, whatever is time.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. I said in the next class. When do we have next class?
On Saturday.
We're on Saturday.
On
Is it
Saturday.
after 24 or
After
after
this.
48? Beta, when I'm
After
saying next
48.
class of English. Next class of English.
Sir, 48 hours.
48.
48 hours.
48. That means after 24 it is wrong. We all agreed for 24, but actually it is after 48. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. If I say in the previous class, I drew a number line on the board. Where will you put this statement?
Sir, on the left side of 0.
Similarly, as we did on the right side, on the plus side. Okay. Let us stop it here. Now, somebody said we need to rename these segments. I said 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. This hour is taking us to 48 segments.
Yes, sir.
We need to rename it. Who has the liberty of renaming this? Who has the liberty of renaming it? Who can rename? बोलो बेटा.
Sir, the one
Anyone?
who give it.
Sir, who have created that?
Anyone, or one who created, or one who is speaking. So the speaker has this liberty. Who has the liberty?
Speaker.
Speaker.
Yes. And who is the speaker? You are the speaker of your statement. You are the speaker of your statement. That means this timeline can be this, what we call it, least count. The least count of your timeline, or the smallest number, or the smallest segment of your timeline can be anything, depending on what you are talking about. Here I divided into 1 hour. It may be 1 day, it may be 1 week, it may be 1 month, it may be 1 year or a century. So your timeline is your own. Your number line is your own. Your idea is your own. Future is everything after 0. Now in the last class, I said 0 can be a moment, 0 can be whole hour, 0 can be whole day, 0 can be whole year also. This 11th class is your present class.
Yes,
You
sir.
are presently students of class 11th. And how long are you going to be a student of class 11th? For entire session?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This whole session is your present session. So even 1 year's time is your time now. So what is your future? Next session, when you will be in class 12th. And your class 10th is your past. So we are talking of entire session. Now at the same time, if the speaker is speaking about some monthly activity, so your time present time will be 1 month. If the speaker is talking about just a day, or just divisions of a day, morning, you did something in morning today, now this is afternoon, and then there will be evening time. And if I put this afternoon time in 0, then the future part goes into evening time. The past, negative side of the number line, goes to morning time. Division on the number line can be anything depending on the idea of the speaker, depending on the concept that is there in the speaker's mind. It has nothing to do with any standardization. There is no standardization of number line. Now, second question on the number line. When you pointed this statement, the statement that I made just now, what was the statement? In the next class, we shall finish talking about the concept of tenses. How will you highlight this on the number line? With the help of a dash, bar, point, dot, or shaded portion. Where will you show this action? Will that action be at a point somewhere? Suppose, just for example, this time comes on the number line drawn on the screen. Let us take it on the fifth segment, fifth part. Okay. So how will you represent this action on this number line? Will you use a dot, a point, a dash, an arrow, or a shaded range? How will you represent this action? Tell me quickly.
Sir, shaded range.
Who is speaking? Just tell your name, beta. I can't see you because screen is shared.
Sir, Shivam Parikh.
Shivam Parikh. Shaded portion. How much portion will you shade?
Sir, the time which we took for discussing all the concepts.
So suppose on the number line that is visible on the screen, if I say it is the fifth part, fifth segment, fifth segment means first segment is from 0 to first dash, second segment is first dash to second dash, third segment is second to third. Okay, and then fourth is third to fourth, and fifth is next one. So which one will you shade? Suppose I'm asking you to shade fifth one. How much portion will you shade? Fourth part to fifth part, fourth dash to fifth dash.
Yes, sir.
This range will be shaded.
Yes, sir.
This range will be shaded. Why? Because we are considering it 1 hour. What are we considering this segment? We are considering it 1 hour time. हम इसलिए इतने को शेड कर रहे हैं. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Agreed? Okay.
Yes, sir.
अब ये जो shaded part है, what is it telling? What is it telling? Is it telling us a specific particular time, or is it telling us a range of time?
Sir, range of time.
Range of time.
The statement says we shall finish discussing this concept in the next class. So that next class comes from 2:30 to 3:10. That means that 40 minutes range is there. I did not specify that in the 5th minute of my class, or in the 10th minute of my class, or at 2:45. I did not say that. I said in the next class. Next class is of 40 minutes, starting from 2:30 to 3:10. So that whole range is the time I was talking about. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, there are some actions which can be represented at a specific point. There are some actions that cannot be represented on a specific point. They are represented on a range. On a range. Now, there is one more thing. Can there be some action that has a beginning but no end? Can there be some action that doesn't have a beginning but has an end? Can there be some action that doesn't have any beginning nor it has any end? Can there be any statement where there is a beginning and there is an end also? I have confused you a lot. मैंने आपको बहुत कंफ्यूज कर दिया, बट मेरे इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने की कोशिश करो. कैन देयर बी एन एक्शन, क्या ऐसा कोई एक्शन हो सकता है जिसको हम इस टाइमलाइन के ऊपर जब रिप्रेजेंट करें, हमने बिल्कुल क्लियर कर लिया कि कुछ एक्शंस को हम पिन पॉइंट कर सकते हैं, कुछ एक्शंस रेंज में आते हैं। तो रेंज में आने वाले एक्शंस में कैन देयर बी एन एक्शन दैट हैज नो बिगिनिंग पॉइंट that comes from infinity and has an end point? Can there be an action that has a beginning point but doesn't have an end point, goes to infinity? Can there be an action that comes from infinity and goes to infinity? Can there be an action that has a beginning point and has an end point? I have put 4 categories in front of you. क्या ऐसे 4 तरह के एक्शंस हो सकते हैं जिनको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए आपको
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
thank God somebody said yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, Garvit, stop sharing the screen. I would like to see the faces now. And thanks for sharing, beta. You did good job. Yes, now who was speaking?
Sir, me.
Me बोले तो स्वस्तिका नायक. Can you open your camera, beta?
सर स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म नहीं है बस।
अरे क्यों नहीं है बेटा? चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आप वैसे बता दो मुझे. And rest of the class will also participate in this talk. This girl says yes, it is possible. Is it possible in all 4 cases, beta? According to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Start telling an example of each case, if you can.
Sir,
One by one. Slowly.
Yes, sir. Sir, in first case, it can be any continuous form. Like if we are studying right now, so it is in continuous form. So we don't know what's the end point of this class. That can be the first case. Yes, sir.
First case. Okay. Just a minute. Good. Wait a minute, beta. Very nice. Very good. What is the first case? It has a starting point, but doesn't have an end point.
Yes,
goes to
sir.
infinity.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Specify the case also. This is case 1. Very nice. What is the second case? Example of second case.
The second case is it has no starting point, but it has a end point. It can be say if an error starts, we know the which is the end point. Like it can be if a TV show is going on, we don't if I start on TV, it starts. We don't know the
TV serials never end. Very good example taken. Very good example taken.
So
TV serials never end.
What's the end point? That's the second thing.
Good. You took this example at wrong point, because this is not an example of second case. But the example that you have taken, I'm very happy with that. TV serials never end. They run for 15 years and then they stop somewhere, but they don't end. Okay. Now, chalo, third concept.
Yes, sir. Third can be, sir, that it starts from infinity and ends for infinity. It can be, sir, it can be, sir, time, sir. We can't tell time when time is going to end. So if a clock starts, it continues going on. We don't know the end part. And I don't remember the last one. What was the last one? Sir,
would somebody else like to help this girl a little bit? She is trying very hard and very nicely. Would somebody like to add something to this? Add 1 or 2 examples. I have a class of more than 40 students, beta. This girl tried very nicely.
So in first case, it can be learning. It starts and never stops.
Okay.
Sir, it can be a ocean. Ocean starts at a point, but it never ends.
Just talk about actions. Actions only. And take simple examples. Simple examples. Don't
Sir,
complicate
Earth is
things.
revolving around the sun.
बहुत simple. Okay. It's we don't, and it will carry on doing this. We don't know till when. है ना? No beginning point, no end point. A nice and a big example given. और इसमें कोई छोटा सा एग्जांपल ले लो. सिंपल सा एग्जांपल अपनी लाइफ टाइम में.
Sir, we are breathing.
हाँ, very good. Very good. We don't know. No, but you know when it started. You are taking it for that concept, na beta. Beginning infinity and end infinity. We are taking this point. Or you are giving an example of something else. Because you know when you started breathing. You started breathing that day when you were born. So you have the beginning point. You have the beginning point. That's good. And no end point. We don't know. When will it stop? But you know when it started. Good try. That's an example of
Yes, sir.
third idea perhaps. This was the third one. Okay, good. Or?
Sir, exploring something.
Fine. When you are exploring, you don't know when will you get it. How search go on. Okay.
Sir, moving waves.
I would like to say
Sir,
one
our
thing here.
thinking.
We are becoming. Huh?
Sir, waves of a sea.
Sir, our thinking.
That's what I was saying. We are becoming little more philosophical here. I am asking simple practical examples. Okay. चलो. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. टाइम तो नहीं हो गया? 7. We have 3 minutes left. Okay. Let us see if we can have 3 examples in 3 minutes. If I say Mohit Bhargav asked a question today and I answered him in the next class. What type of an action is this?
Sir, starting is there and beginning is also there.
Starting and
And-
beginning is the same thing.
Sir, beginning and ending is both are there in this.
Yes, yeah, both are there. You know when it started and when it ends. Okay. Now tell me, we are discussing about tenses. We are discussing about tenses. What kind of action is this?
Sir, beginning is there, but end is not specified at when it will go.
You know when we started, but you don't know till when. Very good. Now tell me, we discussed about tenses for about 5-6 days in class 10th.
Sir, infinity to infinity.
No,
Sir, it has no
not infinity
beginning
to
but a
infinity.
end point.
I'm talking about something that we have done. Huh?
Sir, it has no beginning but a end point.
See, I told something that we have done in class 10th. I said we have discussed it was done by us. So do we know when we started and when we finished? I told 5-6 days. So whenever we started, after 5-6 days we finished. I'm talking about something that was done in class 10th. So you know the starting point is there, the ending point is also there. Acha. Kushagra, is he there? Kushagra?
No, sir.
He is not there in the class. Acha, Biju, is he there?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Beta, you, Biju and Kushagra and one more. 2-3 are my sources of examples. Without you, it's hard for me to create examples. Right?
Thank you, sir.
Biju has always been a source for my examples in grammar. Biju has always been a source of examples in grammar. ये नंबर लाइन में इसमें कोई आपको दिख रहा है क्या बिगनिंग पॉइंट और एंड पॉइंट इस एक्शन के लिए?
No, sir.
No, sir.
नहीं दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Sir, there is beginning, I think.
Yes, sir.
Sir, beginning.
Where is beginning, Neha, you think?
Sir, when you started teaching him, only then you took example of him. Before even teaching, how can you
Oh,
like before knowing him, you didn't use him as an example.
okay. So for me, means for the speaker, it is known. But how long I know him, you don't know.
Yes, sir.
So on your part, there is no beginning. On my part, there is beginning. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, because yes, you are right that it is known to me. But when I made this statement, I did not make this clear to the listener. So in that statement, there is no beginning point. Clear, Neha?
Yes, sir.
And it is still going on. It is still on. It has not yet finished. It has not yet finished. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, because time is up, so let me conclude. आप लोग टेंसेस तो हर साल पढ़ रहे हो बहुत सालों से, ओके? और हम लोग टेंसेस के कंसेप्ट्स और एग्जांपल्स और रूल्स और सारी चीजें भी करते ही आ रहे हैं और सारी ग्रामर बुक में भी हैं. अगर मैं आपके साथ आज भी वही information conveyed through these tenses. That is more important for us to understand. Acha. In tenses, we get two kind of information. Means when we use tenses for making any statement, we get the
Sir, your voice is breaking.
of action. Fact. Fact. शुरू हुआ वो कब खत्म?
सर आपकी आवाज
आज भी खत्म नहीं हुआ, हो सकता आगे भी खत्म नहीं होगा, हमें नहीं पता। हाँ बेटा, ये थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, जहाँ पे मैं हूँ वहां से शायद रेंज के थोड़े से इशू हो सकते हैं। चलो एक काम करते हैं, टाइम अप हो चुका है। सो शिवम, यू कैन स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग, वी शैल कंटिन्यू डिस्कसिंग इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। हम 5 मिनट ऑलरेडी लेट हैं, इट इज 3:15, 3:16 नाउ। ओके, सो